Here is your dumping process and your dirty tank drain. Now, if we go same process down here, you're gonna see this big black cap right here. Just unhook it to the left, and you're gonna have this 2-in-1 dirty tank system of 25 gallons for your cruiser. Just pull this lever out, and this will allow all of your waste to come out. Now, here you will have a little cylinder that you want to open up. Inside you have the extended dumping tube that will go into here. And again, you can extend up to like 6 feet out and dump wherever you need your waste to. Just put it back if you want a little lock so you won't lose it, and you're good to go. Now, how do we flush our dirty tank? Up here in this little panel, we will open it up and we will have here waste tank flush. Just open it up, hook up your freshwater garden hose, tighten it up, and let it rinse your dirty tank for a minute or two. And again, do the same draining process. That is just to rinse and flush your dirty tank.